So what we're talking about right now are the Govee 16-foot strip lights. Why do these matter? Why do you want something like strip lights? Isn't that just what gamers use for their gamer setup? The answer is no. It's for everybody to use for everywhere. Let me just show you really quick some of the possibilities with these lights on the screen with some of their marketing materials. Excuse me. Let me just show you some of the materials on their marketing materials just to inspire you. So here in your home, you can use this to light the bottom of your bar, to light behind your bar, to light inset in your ceiling, to light underneath your table or your couch. You can light anywhere with strip lights. It isn't just for a gamer setup, okay? So a lot of people think that these are for gamers only, and it just isn't the case. Strip lights can be used just as a general decor light. If you're using light bulbs, I know I'm trying to make it sound weird, but light bulbs are old school, man. Light bulbs can't change into millions of colors. Light bulbs just turn on and off, and they're inefficient, a lot of them, in terms of their energy usage. If you have things like strip lighting, you can control the way your entire room looks, not just through one singular light bulb. So watch this. I'm going to turn off my Govee strip lights. I only have one strip running in here. Boom. Do you see that? Look, you see how much light just went away? Let me turn it back on. And this is in a room that is lit up like freaking crazy. I've got all the windows open, broad daylight, 5 lights on top. Do you see the impact that these lights have in my space when I turn them on and off? Just one strip running underneath my desk here. Check it out. With these lights, they can react to your voice or react to music. So you hear them reacting. You can also individually program the colors on these lights like anything else in Govee's app. So if I wanted like 4 sections of the lights to be like one color, boom, I can turn those yellow. I can turn the other sections of the lights some other color, for example. So if I wanted these sections right here to be blue, boom, I turn them blue. See how cool that is? You can also use any of these pre-made scenes on the lights to make the lights do whatever you want them to do. So you can make the lights look like fire. As you can see, they're flickering like fire right now. Or you can make them go rainbow colors and look beautiful. You can make them look like a wave. You name it. Really, really cool. Probably my favorite scene is going to be the Aurora scene. I really like this one. It's got the lights constantly changing and doing neat stuff. So honestly, these are the most premium strip lights I've ever used. So let me just go ahead and show them to you up close because I think it really matters to see the quality of the light and sort of how they're mounted to understand why they're good. So here I am. Whoa! Here I am under my desk. And as you can see, I've got these lights mounted under my desk. And I've also got them mounted behind my desk. Follow me back here. You'll see them mounted. See them mounted along the side there behind my desk back there too. See? And so what they're doing is they're providing light, decor light underneath my desk to make it look super cool down here. And they're shining light against the walls right here to make it look super cool back there. They also come with a physical button that you can press if you don't want to use the app. And they are voice controllable. So what do I mean by physical button? Here it is. There's the physical button. So if I wanted to just turn them on with a button and you don't want to bother with the app, you can just use the on-off button, change the mode and what have you here right in that spot. Really, really easy to use the physical button. And you can also ask your friend Alexa and you can ask your friend Google to control the lights and to do whatever you want with the lights. Best strip lights on planet Earth. You can't go wrong with them.